Hello and welcome to Make Real Estate a Ball. I'm Greg Ball, broker owner.
And I'm Dominic Cole, the broker of record.
This week's subject is going to be a market watch update. Dom, what can you tell us has happened in the market?
Okay, right off the bat, it's been an interesting year, actually, 2017. We've now finally got the year-end numbers. And when we collate numbers, Greg, we always look at the entire year. So we follow year on year from January through December each year, so whether that's 2016 or 2017.
Yeah.
So I can tell you that in terms of the number of listings for the full year, we're down 7% in terms of the number of listings that are available. And then when we look at the number of deals, we're actually down 10% number of deals throughout the course of the year. And a lot of that's from being cautious. There are a lot of high prices coming in from the market. People are waiting to see what's happening. So that's kind of been the issue around, number of listings down 7%, number of deals down 10%. But when you look at those numbers and how does that affect prices, because everyone wants to know what the prices are in both the city and the county, and there are slightly different variations. If we look at the city average sale price is up 21.5% year over year. So that's 21.5%. It's grown throughout the course of 2017 versus 2016.
Great investment.
So the average sale price for the city at the year end, $357,900, so pretty much $358,000 for your average sale price. Now that's the sale price. That's not an average home, that's the average sale price.
Of the little ones and the big ones all together.
Absolutely, and then when you take into account the county, and of course in the county you're looking at more rural, farming, waterfront properties, so some of the higher end properties also taken into account, and you're looking at a 22% increase. That's a 0.5% over and above the city. But when you actually look at the price, the average sale price, it's a fraction under $400,000. That's phenomenal.
Phenomenal for Peterborough.
Peterborough's growing. Peterborough is the place to be, right? So a lot of folks coming in from the GTA and the surrounding areas, the Pickerings, the Ajax, and the Whitby, moving up this way because we've got so much growth in terms of the railway coming in 2020, via rail.
Excellent.
Going all the way from Ottawa down to the airport.
2 stops to register.
The airport and the 407 extension. So Peterborough is the place to be.
It's a growing market for sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Well, that's our wrap for this week. Thank you very much for joining us on Make Real Estate a Ball, and join us next week when we discuss the offer process.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Make Real Estate a Ball is brought to you by Ball Real Estate Inc. Brokerage, building achievable luxury lifestyles within Peterborough and the Kawarthas.